Hi everyone. In this problem, how can you find the current I in the given circuit? So your capacitor is parallel with resistor and again in series with inductor. At omega equal 10 radians, what is the current? This is the problem. So first of all, observe here, the voltage source is given as 4 into cos of omega t. So convert this voltage into phasor form. So here amplitude is 4. So Vs equal to amplitude is 4 and phase angle is 0 degrees. But here we want current I. We know that according to Ohm's law, Vs equal to Is into Z. So here reactive components are there. That's why I take the impedance. So from this we get Is equal to Vs by Z. Z means overall impedance. So first of all, find the overall impedance for the given circuit. So let us assume that this is Z1 impedance and this is Z2 impedance and this is Z3 impedance. So find the impedance for each element. So Z1 impedance equal to, so Z1 is a capacitor. So for capacitor the impedance is 1 by Sc. That's equal to 1 by S means j omega. So j omega into C, that's equal to 1 by j into omega is given as 10. So 10 into C is given as 0.05. By simplifying this, we will get Z1 equal to minus J2. Now similarly, find the Z2. So Z2 equal to nothing but resistance only, that is 2 ohms. Now Z3. So Z3 is the impedance for a inductor, that is SL. S means j omega into L. J into omega is given as 10 and L is given as 1, nothing but 10J. This is Z3. Now from the circuit, Z1 is parallel with Z2 and in series with Z3. It gives total impedance. So Z1 is minus J2 parallel with 2. This overall is in series with J3, that is 10J. By using calculator, we will get Zt equal to 1 plus J9. Now convert this Zt into phasor form. So by using calculator, we will get Zt equal to 99.055 with phase angle 83.66. Now use this formula, we will get current. So that is Vs is 4 with phase angle 0 and Zt is 9.055 with phase angle 83.66. By using calculator, we will get this value as 0.4417 with phase angle minus 83.66 degrees. It is the current. But in the options, it was given in terms of cosine form. So here current amplitude is 0.4417 cos of omega t. Omega is 10 t plus phase angle is minus 83.66 degrees. So this is the current in cosine form. So from the options, option D is the correct option, and this is the process simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.